Welcome to the short introduction of our 5-gas cleaning station 466. This mobile cleaning station is a perfect all-rounder to use in your work area to clean your space. And when you're done and when you're finished, then you just roll it out of your workplace and you have enough room to get your work done. On the top, we have 2 brooms, 600 millimeter length. One for rough goods and one for soft goods, and with the aluminum shovel you just get your goods and put it away. On this ergonomic handle we have a very ergonomic and special hand broom that we designed at K.Lean especially for you, and we have a very strong pen that you can use to get on your goods and put them away. On the back you can see shadows. The shadows will help you to see right away if the utilities that you want to grab are available or in use. Also, you can see the back of the plate is the name Klean Station, which is kindly part of our name K.Lean. But the Klean Station word means to you that this is a special area where you are very aware of cleanliness and 5S principles. Here you have paper towels. Just rip them off and you can put them away when you have cleaned your hands or the machine that you wanted to clean, and then put it away in the garbage bin. The garbage bin is also part of the bottom of the cleaning station, and you have all the utilities you need in one place, mobile and handy. On the back side of the cleaning station, you have also more space available to put in some more bins or cleaning stuff, all that you need. The 466 station you can also get as a wall mount station in our shop. It just comes without the wheels and you just mount it onto the wall with about 4 screws.